Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Stone. I am going to walk you through the steps on how to create a Hero account today. So Hero is an app and website that Northern Cass is using this year to track both positive and negative learner behaviors. The app and website allow parents to know what is happening in our learning center, so it really just opens the lines of communication between school and home. And the purpose is really that, and also for parents to have intentional dialogue with their kids on positive things that are happening, as well as any negative things that need to be addressed related to their behavior. So you'll see on my screen, the steps here are listed on how to register for an account. If you'd like to take a screenshot or a picture, you certainly can. I'm also going to walk you through the steps one by one, so that's definitely not necessary. I'm going to close out of that. To create an account, you'll need to go to access.heropowered.com, and when you get to that site, you should see this page pull up. We do recommend that you use the browser Chrome if possible. It just seems to work best with that. When you get to this page, you're going to select the middle option of Parent. You then are going to click Create an Account. Here you will need to put in your information. You'll want to put your email and password, and then select Create User. So really what we're doing is we're creating an account on the website first, and this needs to be done before you can access the app. So you're going to click Create an Account. We can close the congratulations. Then over on the left here, you're going to see the option where you can add a student. You're going to select No, the school did not provide you with an access key. And here you will need to have your children's student IDs. These were sent home a few weeks ago with learners from school. If you did not receive yours or may have misplaced it or do not have it, you can certainly reach out to Mr. Clapp or myself, and we will be willing to get those to you. So I'm just going to add a sample learner. It's important that the format is how it is asking. We've had some errors with that. Type in your child's last name and then click Add Student. When you add your child, you will see their information pops up. So this homepage here is just a summary of what has happened with their Hero in the last 30 days. 4 positive behaviors have been tracked, 2 negative behaviors, and 1 neutral behavior. And I'm not going to get too much into the behaviors. I'm going to create a separate video for that, but you can scroll down and see more detail, or you can even select any of the options above. I want to show you how to add another child in case you have more than one. You will need to log out, and then you'll log back in using that same email that you used to create the account. Oh, excuse me, I need to make sure that I'm on the parent side. Let me try that again. When you log back in, you then will see your first child that you added should be there, and then you see the option to add another. So if you need to add more, it's the same process. Log out, log back in, that option pops up. So you're going to click the same thing, go through the same steps that we just went through, adding the ID, birth date, and last name. Then when you log in, you'll be able to see each of your child's portfolios right there. Click on one, then you can see their more detailed information. Now that you've created an account on the website, if you would like to get the app, you can get the app and now have access on the app as well. The website does have more detailed information in it, but the app is kind of handy if you just want to quickly pull up something. If you need your children's IDs, please reach out to us. If you have any questions, concern, or need any troubleshooting, certainly reach out to us as well. Mr. Clapp and myself would be willing to help in any way possible. Thank you.